Welcome to 32 Irvine Road, located in the eastern Toronto community of Centennial. This custom-built home has over 4,400 square feet of total living space. The showpiece of this home is the great room, open to above and featuring a hand-painted mural. The octagon sunroom has a walkout to the fully landscaped backyard. This formal dining room can accommodate sizable family functions. The two-sided fireplace adds a warm ambiance. Chef's dream kitchen, when only the best will do. Gaggenau stainless appliances, gas cooktop, fan hood, and a generous eat-in breakfast area. Unique, one-of-a-kind master bedroom retreat with your own sitting area to lounge or indulge in the 6-piece ensuite bath. The generous-sized second bedroom has a walkout to a private balcony overlooking the tranquil backyard. The office boasts custom built-ins that can be easily transformed to an extra bedroom if needed. This well-appointed basement has a 3-sided fireplace, plenty of room for storage, an additional bathroom, and a fitness area. The Centennial area is a very lush community with a combination of linear and sweeping streets, lined with beautiful mature trees. You'll find 2 major parks, Rouge GO station, and easy access to the 401.